Hello everyone, I am Parth Mesra from grade 6. Today I am going to make a scribbling robot based on the concept of robotics. We are going to convert electric energy into kinetic energy. For this we would need a 9-volt battery, a motor, a empty glass, a sellotape or a Fevikwik, 4 sketch pens and A4 size paper. First, let's take an empty glass and stick the sketch pens on all the sides to make legs for the robot. Now we are going to attach the 9-volt battery, motor and the wire. This would provide rotation to the robot. Now we have to attach the battery on top of the glass. Now let it dry for 10 minutes and our robot is ready to show its magic.